Validame SEO TCI por ese Quinker, where we have this device to which we will perform the hard reset. First of all, we will press the power button and the volume down button at the same time while the device restarts. When the device restarts, release the volume down button, hold the volume up button. Now let's wait a few seconds. Since the screen will turn on and off several times, we will keep pressing those two buttons. The third option, when the device shows the logo Xiaomi, we will count 5 seconds and release the power button, and that way we'll be able to enter recovery mode. Let's wait. Wait until we enter recovery mode. Now let's scroll to where it says whip data. Press power to move down, press power to select move down, and press power where it says confirm. We go down to press with the power button. Now the device is resetting. Now with the power button, the first option, so our device can restart. When our device restarts completely, all we have to do is configure it. But if you're stuck with a Google account, with the security account, in the video description and comments we have a method to solve it. That's all for today. See you next time.